Yogi Clan, welcome back to Yogi Cycle Service, and we're back here in the shop today, and we're getting ready for part 2 of the Vulcan. And what are we going to do today? Today we're going to attempt to get this engine out of this frame. We got everything. We got the gas tank taken off, we've got the exhaust taken off, we've got the crash bars taken off, we've got the floorboards taken off, so we've got some of the parts taken off, but today we need to focus on getting this radiator off, getting this intake out, some of this parts off of here, putting this engine on a jack, unbolting the frame, loosening up from the motor mounts, taking the cooling system off, and getting this engine out of the frame. So my goal is to put 2-3 hours today in, get this engine out of the frame and get it up there onto our countertop. And then from there, we're gonna go ahead and tear this top down, open it up, split the cases, get the oil pump out, or the oil pump gear out. So yes, I know that there are multiple ways of doing this, but that's the way we're gonna tackle it. One other thing I know that we need to do is we need to drain the oil in this. We haven't drained the oil out of there yet, so we're gonna have to do that also. So bear with me as we get things set up. Got the computer set up with our owner's manuals. We can see service manuals, so we can make sure we're following all the right steps. I'm going to be going back and forth between here and there. So as I've said in earlier videos, I have never pulled an engine before. I have never torn an engine down before. So this is going to be a learning experience for me. Let's roll the intro and we'll get started pulling this engine out. See you soon. Figure out how to drain this oil. Like that right there. Let's focus on this radiator. This radiator limit. We'll try to drain this first. Washer does not look very good. At least that bad boy. Fuel pump off. Fuel pump out. I sure hope I remember how this all goes back together. Another acorn come falling out. Lots of acorns coming falling out. Oh my. Hopefully the chipmunk doesn't come out with it. Carbon's coming out. High time to put this on lift. Take off the frame and see where we're at. Let's see what size these are. Thermometric. Oh, beautiful. let's figure out how to get this carburetor out of here. We're using the owner's manual, but nah. Let's just start pulling bolts and see what comes off. One of those special Japanese screwdrivers. Smell a little bit. Carb is out. Pull off the boots and push on the lock pin with a little wire. Move the engine forward and clear it. So I need a paper clip. Paper clip! There's the hole. Bam! I don't think a paper clip will do it. We're gonna use this. It's actually working. Ta-da! So, question for y'all. How heavy do you think this son of a gun is? A massive harness right here. Huh. Hydraulic clutch. Alright, so we gotta pull the hydraulic clutch and pull this wiring harness. Wiring harness is loose. Yeah. Pull it this way, pick it up. You ready? Bam. It looks like a big hole now, doesn't it? All right, Yogi Clan, as you can see, the engine is pulled. We finally got it out. It is now sitting on the floor by the table. Tomorrow, we're gonna clean off the table, put the engine on the table, and then we'll start the third video of tearing apart the engine. But officially, the engine is now out. So tomorrow, we're gonna start the process of breaking down the engine. So I'll catch you on the next video. Thank you for joining us. Have a great weekend. We'll talk to you soon. Peace.